Here's another house for sale in Mussomeli, Sicily. So you see there's two doors there. We're gonna go in the one on the left. And if you go in the one on the left, those stairs go straight up to the other floors, and right to the right is, again, another huge storage room. Apparently the vacant houses all are great for storage. You will be able to see, this floor plan's the same as the floors above, so you'll be able to see the space better. If you notice on the right-hand wall, there is water, and you would be able to have, there we go, and it's kind of a kitchen setup now. You'd be able to put the kitchen in there, have the dining room also. If you wanted to put a living room in here, it'd be tight, but you could if you wanted the next two levels to be bedrooms. If you only need one bedroom, then that would be perfect to have at the next level up as a living room. This is a level. I love the tile, and I know you do too, so I want to make sure to show you. This is, look at, the wallpaper's coming off, so it's plaster paint type of stuff. Now, the big thing, there's one bathroom. It's right there in that door. You're gonna see it in a second, but I'm showing you this part because you'd either pop that bathroom out to be a square and have a shower, or make it a rectangle along the whole back wall, so that you could have a shower in there, because showers are important. That window is a Juliet, not step out balcony, but see, yeah, that's the lovely bathroom you're working with. But again, move it into that room. You could have this as a living room. With the tiles, it's a great space. Going up to the next level, this would be perfect for the primary bedroom because there's a balcony that I'll show you. So it would be one bedroom with the layout that the living room's the middle floor. You could have a sofa bed to have guests that way. Here is the balcony, and as you see, it's wider streets. There's plenty of parking. This is a really easy to drive part of Mussomeli for sure. My house is not, so I love this. I love that you can also get deliveries here. I cannot. So I pick them up randomly around town at the tobacco shop, or the photographer. But as you see, there's plenty of place to park. Deliveries can come to your house. This is the same size that the very bottom floor is too, that you'd be able to make into the kitchen, dining room / living room, whichever. Now, there's a unique thing with this house is that the attic, I'll show you, has, if you change out the boards, for sure, again, there's showing you the bigger street. If you change out the boards, for sure, you can maybe make a loft up there, have another little space, have a library or another, guest area, but definitely change that. I would also hope that they're going to take the bumper of the car that seems to be sitting in the rafters. But yeah, change that out. Do it in time. You don't have to do it right now. The primary thing would be in the kitchen and figuring out that shower. This house is offered for €8,500. Contact information is in the description. And if you're looking for anything in Mussomeli or the surrounding areas, make sure to contact Katerina.